Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set what others can see about you on the google.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and after that tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on manage your Google account and tap on this people and sharing button in the left side column of the screen. After that you should scroll down till you find the choose what others see section, so tap on it and here you can select what would you like to display for or be available to others, such as your name. As you can see, it is set to public, so if you tap on the learn more button you can see that it has been set to anyone can see this information. You can also set your gender, birthday, profile picture, contact information, education, and the about section can be changed too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.